Bambi was standing right there 5 minutes ago. I had to move my chair. I had moved it earlier so I could mow. And that startled him and he went down into the woods. Dang it. Oh, hopefully he'll come back. I think I see him walking across down there. He might come around and come back up the other way. Oh, here comes somebody else. They all came from across the road, including Bambi. It's just kind of odd. I can't say I've never seen him over there. I have. And here's a couple more newcomers, all coming from across the road. And another. They must have all gone over there. Maybe they were here earlier before I came out. That could be. When they didn't see nothing, they went across the road. And there wasn't any food. Sorry, guys. I'm really bummed out that I missed Bambi. And here come the turkeys, or at least a turkey. I haven't seen that pair in a while, or any other turkeys. I'm seeing that pair pretty consistently, and now and then some other turkeys besides the turkey family. Oh, here comes another, and another. It's the family, and they're scaring the deer because they're coming running in. Don't scare the deer, guys. Don't scare the deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least. Oh boy, they did scare the deer. A bunch of them are just running down into the woods. Guys, it's just turkeys. It's just turkeys. It's all right. Oh goodness gracious, they are flat out bolting. Other than this one right here. Oops, did I miss her? There she is. Very hard to see in the viewfinder down there in the shadows. I can't believe that. The turkeys made the deer bolt. Other than just one of them. You guys came in too hot. You came in too hot. You scared the deer.